Skyhawk 604, wing up turning final, runway 23, Hemet, full stop.
Hemet traffic, Hurricane hold light clear, runway 23, Hemet.
No traffic, when ends at 225 Romeo, crossing overhead midfield, sending out of 4,000, Hemet traffic.
Traffic, Hurricane hold light taking off runway 22, I'm just going to make a straight ahead west of the departure from the pattern, Hemet.
Hemet traffic, Cessna 66517, entering left crosswind for 23, Hemet.
Hemet traffic, white red Skyhawk 12604, taking the active runway 23 for a southwest departure, Hemet.
Hemet traffic, 650 Yankee, about 5 miles out at Diamond Lake. Mercy Air have you on site. We entering the 45 for runway 23, Hemet.
Mercy's got you as well, thanks.
Hemet traffic, white red Skyhawk 604 on the go, runway 23, southwest departure, Hemet. There we go.
Alright, Mercy Air, we'll be looking for you. We're just coming up to a left downwind at 2.5 and we'll stay south of the field.
Instruments good? Is your speed good? Engine instrument good? Positive rate. Hey.
Hemet traffic, 234 Alpha Fox, we're 5 miles to the southeast.